Namaste, everyone. Good evening. Let us begin.
Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening. Let us begin with the invocation prayer to Bhagavan Ganesha. Sit straight. Gently close your eyes. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Let us all chant together. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Let us take the blessings from Bhagavan Ganesha. Gently open your eyes. First, let's revise. Repeat after me. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nij Manu Mukhuru Sudhari Baranau Raghubar Bimal Jasu Jodayaku Palachari बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहिम हरहु कलेस बिकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसतिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरण बिराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा I hope the 4 verses are clear in terms of the meaning, pronunciation, and the tune. Let's move on to the 5th. First, the word by word pronunciation. Hatha Bajra. Hatha Bajra Au. Hatha Bajra Au. Dvaja. Dvaja. Dvaja Birajai. Hatha Bajra Au. Dvaja Birajai. Kande. Kande. Munja. Munja. Janevu. Janevu. Sajai. Kande munja. Janevu sajai. Hata bajra. Au. Dvaja birajai. Kande munja. Janevu sajai. So, as we discussed yesterday, the first 8 verses, Tulsidas ji describes the qualities of Hanuman. So, in the 5th verse, Tulsidas ji says that Hanuman ji, you carry a Vajra, the mace, the thunderbolt, the weapon that he carries in his hand. And in the other hand, he carries a flag. And his shoulder, he wears a Janevu, the sacred thread, which is made with a grass called as Munja grass. So he is describing, in the previous verse, he described how Hanumanji looked. And here he talks about the things that he is carrying, the things that he is wearing. Now, let's chant. Repeat after me. Hata Bajra Audvaja Birajai. Hata Bajra Audvaja Birajai. Kande Munja Janevu Sajai. Kande munja janevu sajai. One more time. Hata bajra audvaja birajai. Hata bajra audvaja birajai. Kande munja janevu sajai. Kande munja janevu sajai. We move on to the 6th verse. Sankara. Sankara Suvana. Sankara Suvana. Kesari Nandana. Kesari Nandana. Sankara Suvana. Kesari Nandana. Teja Pratapa. Teja Pratapa. Mahajaga. Mahajaga Bandana. Teja Pratapa. Mahajaga Bandana. Sankara Suvana. Kesari Nandana. Teja Pratapa. Mahajaga Bandana. So the first line, Sankara Suvana. So Hanumanji is considered as the divine incarnation of Lord Shiva himself. So the Ojas of Shiva is transformed into Hanuman with the help of Vayuputra. So Vayuputra, the wind god, not Vayuputra, wind god, Pavana, Vayu, carried this essence of Shiva and planted it in the womb of Anjani. So Sankara Suvana, so he is a divine incarnation of Shiva. Kesari Nandana. Kesari is the biological father of Hanumanji. Kesari Nandana. Teja Pratapa Mahajaga Bandana. So this whole entire universe The entire universe knows about Hanumanji's valor, his effulgence, his brightness, Teja Pratapa. So the whole universe commands veneration. The Hanumanji commands veneration from the whole universe through his Tejas, through his valor, through his strength. That's what this verse means. So let's chant. Sankara Suvana Kesari Nandana. Sankara Suvana Kesari Nandana. Teja Pratapa Mahajagabandana. Teja Pratapa Mahajagabandana. Sankara Suvana Kesari Nandana. Teja Pratapa Mahajagabandana. Let's move on to the 7th verse. Now here you can either say Vidya or Vidya. Vidyavana, Vidyavana, Guni, Guni, Ati Chatura, Ati Chatura, Ramakaja, Ramakaja, Karibe, Karibe ko, Ramakaja, Karibe ko Atura, Ramakaja, Karibe ko Atura. Vidyavana, Guni Ati Chatura, Ramakaja, Karibe ko Atura. So this verse, Vidyavana, Guni Ati Chatura, qualities of Hanuman. Vidya, full of wisdom, knowledge. Guni, he possesses lot of good qualities, gunas, virtuous qualities. And Ati Chatura, he is always clever, skillful. So this is a very beautiful combination. So in today's times, we notice many people are very clever, very skillful in their work, in the way they speak, but the qualities may not be virtuous. The intentions may not be good. So they might have a lot of knowledge, lot of wisdom. They might be very skillful, but this guna, the virtuous qualities, it might go missing. But Hanumanji has the beautiful combination of all three put together. Wisdom, virtuous qualities, and skillfulness or cleverness. The second line, Rama Kaja. Rama Kaja means doing work for Rama. So Rama Kaja, this word comes one more time in Hanuman Chalisa. Rama Kaja, Karibe ko Atura. So he is very happy, very eager to do work, seva for Rama. So that is the significance of this line. He is always eager. He is just waiting. What can I do for Rama? So in Tamil, we say for cleverness, we say chaturyam. So the same word chatura is what is mentioned here in the first line. Let us chant. Vidyavan guniyati chatura. Vidyavan guniyati chatura. राम काज करिबे को आतुरा. राम काज करिबे को आतुरा. विद्यावान गुणीयति चातुरा. We'll move on to the 8th verse, last verse for today. Prabhu, Prabhu. So the bha is the Mahaprana bha. So you'll have to say bha, Prabhu. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe. So this is the Alpa Prana. So Sunibe. Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Rama Lakhana. Rama Lakhana. So this is Ka is again Mahaprana. So you'll have to say Kha with aspiration. Rama Lakhana Sita. Rama Lakhana Sita Manabasiya. Rama Lakhana Sita Manabasiya. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Rama Lakhana Sita Mana Basiya. Sita Mana Basiya. So this verse, the first line. So as I mentioned a couple of days back, whenever there is a katha session of Rama that happens, there's usually a seat that is allocated for Hanumanji. Hanumanji is one of the Chiranjeevis. He is immortal. He is amongst us even in this Kali Yuga. He is there with us. You can feel his presence. So whenever there is a Katha Kalakshepam, stories of Ram being told, he comes and he sits and he enjoys listening to them over and over again. So he is delighted to listen to Ram's deeds, whatever be his, what Ram accomplished, what all things he did. Hanumanji loves to listen to them over and over again. So Prabhu Charitra means stories. Prabhu refers to Lord Rama. Sunibe Ko Rasiya, he is like delighted. Rasikrar, that is the word. He is like having so much of interest and enthusiasm to listen to stories of Prabhu Ram. Rama Lakhana Sita Manabasiya. So you might have seen photos of Hanumanji opening his chest and showing his heart. And there is Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita all together. So in his heart, Ram, Lakshman, and Sita, they always reside. That is the meaning of the second line. Let's chant. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya. Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. So this is verse 8. And what I have noticed is that in many of the chanting, these two lines are included after every 8 verses. In one of the discourses I listened to, what is being said is that once Tulsidas, they started writing first 8 verse, a monkey appeared near the window of the prison. And he said, you should praise, you're only praising Hanumanji, you should also praise Ram. So then Tulsidas ji wrote this particular verse, and this gets repeated every 8 verses. And whenever you are in a group's chanting session, usually the person who says, who chants and who is repeating, the person who chants will say Rama Lakshmana Janaki, and the people who are repeating, they will say Jai Bolo Hanumanaki. It's a very beautiful, when you chant in a larger group, this effect is just, you can't explain it in words. So the way to be chanted these two lines are Rama Lakshmana Janaki, Rama Lakshmana Janaki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki, Rama Lakshmana Janaki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki. Now let's revise. We'll start from the first. We'll chant all the 8 in one go. Repeat after me. Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar, Jai Kapi Satihu Loka Ujagar, Ramaduta Tulita Baladhama, Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama, Mahabhira Bikrama Bajarangi, Kumati Nivara Sumati Ke Sangi, Kanchana Bharana Biraja Subesa, Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesa, हाथ वज्र औ ध्वजा बिराजै, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजै, शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन, विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की. One last time we will chant 5, 6, 7, 8 so that The tune, pronunciation, everything is clear. हात वज्र औ ध्वजा बिराजै कांदे मूंज जनेऊ साजै शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। Let us conclude with a closing prayer. Sit straight. Close your eyes if you're comfortable with the verse, or you can keep your eyes open and see the screen. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Visualize Hanumanji in front of your eyes. Repeat after me. बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। Gently open your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu.
Tomorrow.